Hello everyone, I'm John from MetalWorks. Today we thought we'd do a video on the GM Performance engines, the LS3 family. Most everything seems like we're doing now has one of these in them. And just because you say LS3 doesn't mean they're all the same. Some of these have a smooth camshaft, some have a radical camshaft to make more horsepower, and some are really radical. That being said, they're not all meant for the same vehicle. So behind me I have a 64 Corvette. We have a GM Performance 495 horsepower LS3 in it with a 5-speed manual. To me, that's a perfect combination for that car. And we'll talk about the reasons why. The other car is a 56 Chevy Nomad that has the smooth idled 430 horsepower with an automatic transmission. To me, perfect combination again. Has a real good smooth idle, leaves a stoplight nice, and just nice for a cruising car. If you're considering an engine for your project, pretty common nowadays for someone to choose an LS3 or an LS engine from the LS family. We have several that we like that perform quite well in most every application versus the 20 or 30 you're going to find in this catalog. If you need any help selecting something like that, give us a call. We'd be glad to do that for you. In this project, we decided to use a GM 495 horsepower LS3 with a manual 5-speed transmission. It also has an Art Morrison chassis underneath it, and believe me, this car is a ton of fun. That combination of engine and transmission is absolutely perfect for a car like this. If you're looking for something a little bit more mellow, more of a street rod cruiser, drive to the coast, wherever, this is perfect. Smooth idle, automatic transmission, it's just super comfortable to drive. This is one of our newly completed chassis getting ready to ship out. It's a Tri-5 Chevy. Like most of our chassis, they are shipped with an LS3 engine. This one has a manual transmission behind it. Really nice combination. If you're interested in an LS package for your project, give us a call here at the shop. I'm John, the owner. Myself or Matt can be able to take your call and lead you in the right direction.